Hey folks, how y'all doing? We're getting ready to put the Pat's quick easy change system on, and I had to put three. This is just a little video. I had to put three of those shims in there, and then in the bottom you see the roll pin. So we're got to start. This is the right side, and this is the left side. Pins, these stay out on the outside with the holes, so you can put your adjustment plate if you want to, you want to use it. But I got the adjustment plate, and that's what these holes are for. All right, and we'll be back. I'm just going to do put set screws in here and in here on this side. Go with it. I'm tired of hooking up implements by myself. We got a quick hitch also, but a lot of the attachments we got won't fit it. I told my dad, I told my dad, so make sure you get quick hitch stuff, and needless to say, iMatch stuff, but anyway, wasn't iMatch compatible, so I had to go for these. So that'd be good to go, y'all. All right, be back after a while. And it's the John Deere 4310. All right, be back shortly. There we go. And I got it raised up right now where I can work on it at my height. I'll let down the arms and do my final adjustments. All right, be back here shortly. Okay, folks, how y'all doing? I'm back. I got the Pat's Easy Quick Hitch, Quick Connect, and I got the side screws in. There's 8 of them all together, 4 for each one with jam nuts, and I greased them up before I put them in there. And then we get ready to oil my ball fitting right here. Oil that all up nice and good, so I ain't got to worry about it later on. Just keep it nice and lubed, like it says in directions, and I've seen other videos too to help me out. So all right, we'll be back when we go to that step, and we'll put the U-bolt in, and there, right there. Okay. All right, we'll be back shortly. All right, folks, I'm back again. I had to go to one shim. 2 shims was just too much. And the U-bolt's gonna do all your adjusting for you, and just get it where you want it to be. But 2 shims just would not let the set nuts go in and all that good stuff. The set bolts and jam nuts. So I had to go to 1 shim. I just wanted to correct y'all on that. Well, just people who want to know. And this one measures, I'll show you. This is an inch. This John Deere 4310 is about 2 3/8 right there. As you see, I got everything greased up, ball joint, or and everything where it should be. All right, so okay, we're gonna move on. All right. Okay, y'all, I got her all hooked up. Like everything said, I watched the video and did all my research, and man, these things are easy to use. You just pull this, these are locks right here. Pull them out. You can lock them, and then I think you can take and lock them in place like this. Sorry. Yeah, you can lock them up, or sorry folks, smacked me. Like this. Then you can lock them out of place. Anyway, that's and they say take a broomstick or something like that. And 26 center to center, 26 and a half. Let me see what instructions says. Yeah, 26 inches. Right there, 26 inches. And I'm sorry, center to center. And that's what we got. So, shows you can lock them or all that good stuff. And it says to put grease on these underneath of here, around the hook, to keep it all so that implements will wear good. And this is just you bar when you want to keep it stable, or without locking your pins, to keep it where you want to. You can adjust it any way you want to, in or out, whatever. But anyway, yeah, y'all, I'm gonna hook her up, and I'll come back and show you what we got. All right, y'all. Y'all take care now. All right, folks. I got her all hooked up. Pat's easy change. You can see over there. And doing right good, y'all. Let's raise all the way up. Or now let her down. There we go. Not too bad. Not bad at all. Everything's locked in place. Yep, like it. Alright, well that's it for the Pat's Easy Quick change. I ordered directly from that store. We got this. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoy watching. If I got a quick connect, it'd been a whole lot easier. But that's just one of them things. Well, hey, y'all, thank y'all for watching. God bless and Semper Fi. Hoorah. Y'all take care now. Y'all be safe now. Alright. These old glasses are, it's hot out here, y'all. Alright now, y'all. Y'all take care now. Bye-bye.